Okay, so just gonna go over this trade I took. It was a loss, so ending the week with a losing week and a losing trade day. That sucks. I'll be honest with you. Um, I'm I'm a bit tired from trading recently. It hasn't been nice to me. What did I take? Two or three break even trades this week before I finally took a loss. So let me just check. I just can't, like, genuinely out of it right now. Um, yeah, so this was the fourth trade this week we took, and I took three break even trades this week before I took this loss, and it's just like demoralizing. Especially on a week when, like, everyone's like, oh, yo, we have good price action back. Everyone's making money. I'm in a Discord and everyone's making money in the Discord. And I'm sitting here, I'm like, how the fuck are you doing that? Like, I just got to vent for a second. Like, how are you doing that? Like, I feel like I'm following the trading plan exactly how it's supposed to be followed. And by doing that, I ended up with three break even trades and one loss at the end of the week. But then I see all these other people making money and I'm just confused. We're trading the same asset, we're looking at the chart the same way. What am I doing wrong? Um, this trade could have been avoided. Okay, it wasn't an A plus setup. But also, you gotta understand too, like, if I wait for an A plus setup in this market right now, I mean, I don't remember the last time an A plus setup formed. September, maybe? Like, genuinely. Um, so, yeah, I don't know. The prior weeks when I ended up, like, with break even weeks or I ended up with one win, like, I felt good about myself because, sure, price action sucked. But, like, okay, cool, I made it out. Like, I made it out unscathed. And people were complaining, oh, I lost so much money this week. Oh, and I was like, oh, yeah, I mean, this week sucked. But now with people saying this price action is back and it's better, and I'm like, oh, fuck, I didn't find anything. It's a shitty feeling. Okay, anyway, done with venting. So, obviously, I did trade against the trend today, and it bit me in the ass. So, what I did here was we were bouncing nicely off the consequent encroachment of this wick. And 4 hour doesn't really give you much. 1 hour doesn't really either. I was just looking to trade the pullback, the retracement off the consequent encroachment of the wick. You can see on the 15-minute we left this unfilled. It's still unfilled. When we came up, the only reason I entered into this trade was because we didn't end up tapping this. Had we tapped this by even a pip, I would have never entered this trade. But we didn't tap it. And I'm looking at the 5-minute here, and I'm seeing, okay, we have a 5-minute inversion. And, at first I thought, okay, it's going to hit my break even point. I'm not going to get an entry. Typical, right? Obviously, wish that would have happened now, but in the moment, I was like, of course, it's going to fucking hit my break even before I get an entry because it's happened all week. And you can see we didn't hit it. We came back down. Okay, I said, fuck it, I'll put a limit. And I knew there was a chance this would not play out just because I thought, honestly, we would chop a little bit longer, if anything, but we just fucking dumped. But I thought we might chop a little longer because we didn't take that. Might try to come back for it again, which, I guess we did with this candle. I mean, we came very close. I was looking good there, but yeah, I don't know. I took a loss. I don't know what else to say. My break even would have been the 15-minute, and I was just targeting 101, which honestly probably would have been a break even trade at best. So maybe just fully could have fucking avoided this one against my better intuition. I decided against doing that. And when you lose on a Friday, it fucking sucks too. So I'm glad I'm experiencing this because, you know, trading's the toughest thing you'll ever do, ever. It's such a mind game. It really is. It's a total mind fuck. Because now I'm thinking to myself, okay, well maybe I won't trade. Like I'll be more careful about trading on Fridays. You know, I only take A plus setups. And, you know, I think that is a lesson to be learned here. Like, especially on a Friday, you don't want to walk away with a loss. Only take A plus setups. This one should have been not taken. This one should have been avoided. Did it follow my trading plan? Yes. We had a sweep, we had an inversion, we had a target. Yes. It wasn't A plus because, first of all, we're trading against the trend. Obviously, we were bearish today. And number two, you know, but at this point, I did think we were going to potentially chop, like, because we didn't give us the fill right away. We came up, and then we came back down, and it just looked kind of shitty. But, you know, trading is a mind fuck, because you're thinking to yourself, okay, but I want to be able to trade on Fridays. I'm not, like, scared to trade on Fridays. It's just, okay, A plus setups only on Fridays, especially. But, yeah, this loss sucks, for sure. You know? Definitely sucks. And that is about all I have to say. So hopefully next week provides us with some nice clean setups. Yeah. GG's.